Tuesday. What? Southwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The strongest gusts will be closest to the Lake Ontario shore. Where? Jefferson County. When? From 7 a.m. Monday to 6 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts: strong winds will blow down trees and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the St. Lawrence Valley, which includes Messina and Potsdam. Rest of today, partly sunny with a 20% chance of snow showers. Highs in the lower 30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. A slight chance of snow showers until midnight, then a chance of snow showers after midnight. Lows around 18. Southwest.
I did not hear my IM notification that time, and you failed.
Blowing snow in the morning.
Yeah, because my internet died on my Android.
Of course it did. Southwest winds 20.
That should go off next time. The whistler didn't go off. The whistler didn't go off.
Chance of snow 50%. Monday night, snow. Areas of blowing snow. Snow may be heavy at times. Moderate snow accumulation. Breezy with lows around 10 above.
Freaking whistler. What is static right now?
Rest of today, cloudy late this morning, then becoming partly sunny.
There.
A 50% chance of snow showers. Highs in the upper.
Of course this version 3 failed.
Mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of snow showers. Lows around 14. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Monday, partly sunny. A chance of snow showers in the morning, then a chance of snow. Areas of blowing snow. Breezy with highs in the upper 20s. Southwest.
Alright, we're good there. You went off. Alright, let's see who went off. HH. You went off, you went off, you went off, you failed, you went off, you went off, you went off, you failed. I don't know if you went off. You went off. I bet you failed. But you might have went off on 1000 video hertz first. You went off, you failed, you went off, you possibly failed, but probably went off 1000 video hertz. You went off, 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 you failed, you went off, 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 and you went off. 3 radios failed, but we have another high wind watch that still needs to be upgraded, so